When someone is struggling with something real, addiction, untreated trauma, a mental health crisis, there's often some accountability once the moment passes, an apology, an acknowledgement that it wasn't okay. It might not fix everything and the pattern might keep repeating, but there's usually some version of, I did that and I'm sorry. In narcissistic relationships, that accountability tends to go missing. Instead, the blame comes back to you. You made them act that way. You're too sensitive. You're remembering it wrong. You're the problem. Over and over, the responsibility gets handed to you instead of owned by them. That's really the core of it. It's not that narcissistic abuse hurts more than every other kind of painful relationship. Pain is pain, and I'm not here to rank anyone's suffering. It's that narcissistic abuse comes with a strategy behind it, even if it's not fully conscious. Hide it from everyone but you and make sure you're the one who ends up carrying the blame. That combination is what makes it so disorienting. You're not just hurt. You're hurt, isolated from anyone who'd back you up, and convinced it's somehow your fault. That's a different kind of damage than general emotional pain, even when some of the individual behaviors look the same on paper. So if you've ever felt like you had to defend calling it narcissistic abuse, you don't. You're not being dramatic. You're naming something specific, a pattern that hides itself from everyone except you and then blames you for existing. Thank you for being here. And remember, we heal together.